mabilisang session muna. Monomial times binomial. So, kapag sinabing monomial, it is an algebraic expression with one term. And pag binomial naman, it has two terms. Kapag minumultiply natin yung monomial at isang binomial, we use the distributive property. Sa distributive property, yung monomial o yung term na nasa labas ng parenthesis, i-distribute natin sa bawat term na nasa loob ng parenthesis. A times B is AB plus A times C is AC. Meron akong hinandang mga example dito, pero bago natin sagutan, kailangan muna nating ibukas yung ating third eye. Bakit? Kasi sa math, merong mga bagay na hindi natin nakikita, pero dapat alam natin na nandyan sila. Ang isang halimbawa nun is yung exponent. Di ba pag walang nakalagay, ibig sabihin nun, ang exponent niya ay 1. Huwag na huwag yung kakalimutan. So, subukan natin yung example number 1. X times the quantity of x plus 2. So, yung monomial o yung term na nasa labas, imumultiply natin sa bawat term na nasa loob. So, x times x is x squared, and x times positive 2 is positive 2x. Number 2, 2x times x is 2x squared, and 2x times positive 2 is positive 4x. Number 3, 3x squared times x is 3x cubed, and 3x squared times positive 2 is positive 6x squared. Example number 4. Negative 2x times x is negative 2x squared. Negative 2x times negative 6 is positive 12x. Number 5. 3x cubed times 2x squared is 6x raised to 5. 3x cubed times negative 4x is negative 12x raised to 4. Number 6. 4x squared times 3x is 12x cubed. And 4x squared times positive 2y is positive 8x squared y. Ang susunod ay binomial times binomial. Kapag nag-multiply tayo ng binomial, we still use the distributive property, pero may konting pagkakaiba. Tinatawag ngayon siyang FOIL method. Sa FOIL method, inuuna natin i-multiply yung f, which is the first term. So dito, a and c yon. A times c is ac. Ang susunod is outer term, which is the a and d. So yun ang susunod, kaya a times d is ad. Susunod is inner term, which is the b and c. Kaya bc. And last term, which is the b and d. Kaya bd. Yung ibang estudyante, medyo nahihirapan sundan ito. Para mas madali ninyong maintindihan, gamitin natin yung ginawa natin kanina sa monomial times binomial. Ang gagawin nyo lang naman dito, di ba, parang ang math kasi parang problema eh. Pag sinolve mo siya ng sabay-sabay, mahirap talaga yon. Kaya gagawin natin, since dalawa na yung term natin dito, aalisin muna natin yung isa para hindi masakit sa ulo. So, mag-focus muna tayo dito sa isang term, which is the x. Doon sa monomial times binomial, ang ginagawa natin, minumultiply natin yung term na nasa labas, yung monomial, doon sa bawat term na nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, yun din ang gagawin natin. X times x is x squared. X times positive 3 is positive 3x. Yan. Ngayon na-solve na natin yung problema dun sa unang term, pwede na natin siyang kalimutan. Since x naman na siya, di ba? So, pwede na siyang kalimutan. Takpan naman natin siya. Kasi tapos na nga siya. Okay. Dun tayo ngayon sa bago. Yung bago natin is the positive 2. So, sa positive 2, ganun din po yung gagawin natin. Multiply natin siya sa bawat term. Positive 2 times x is positive 2x. And positive 2 times positive 3 is positive 6. Ngayon, isi-solve natin siya or i-add. So, bring down x squared. So, di ba kapag parehas yung sign, we add. So, positive 5x and then bring down positive 6. So, ganyan sinosolve ang binomial times binomial. Okay, example number 1. So, ganun ulit gagawin natin ha. Takpan ko muna ulit. Yan, para hindi masakit sa ulo. Okay. X times x is x squared. X times negative 6 is negative 6x. Since nasolve na natin siya, alisin na natin yung isa. Siya naman yung kalimutan natin. Yan. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And negative 3 times negative 6 is positive 18. Let's add. So, bring down x squared. So, since pareha silang negative, i-add natin. So, it will be negative 9x plus 18. Number 2. Ganun ulit. Kalimutan si positive 2. Let's focus on negative or 2x. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. Then, focus naman kay positive 2. Positive 2 times x is positive 2x. Positive 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Then, add. Bring down 2x squared. Ngayon, magkaiba po yung sign. So, ang rule natin sa addition of integers, diba? Kapag magkaiba yung sign, sinusubtract natin. So, 6 minus 2 is 4x. Then, copy the sign of the largest number, which is negative. And then, bring down 6. Example number 3. Focus muna kay 3x. So, 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. Ngayon, focus naman kay negative 4. Negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. And negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. Then, let's add. 6x squared, bring down 6x squared, and then parehas silang negative. So, pag parehas ang sign, we add. Magiging siyang negative 11x, and then bring down positive 4. Number 4. Focus kay negative 2x. Negative 2x times 5x is negative 10x squared. Next, negative 2x times negative 3 is positive 6x. Then, focus naman tayo kay positive 2. Positive 2 times 5x is positive 10x. And positive 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Then, let's add. Bring down negative 10x squared plus 10 plus 6 is 16x, and then bring down negative 6. Ang susunod ay binomial times trinomial. Magiging madali na lang ito since marunong na kayo nung binomial times binomial. Nadagdagan lang naman siya ng isa. So, subukan natin itong example number 1. Ganun ulit, focus sa first term natin kay x. Yung multiply natin siya sa bawat term. So, x times x squared is x cubed. Next, x times positive 3x is positive 3x squared. Next, x times positive 2 is positive 2x. After that, focus naman na tayo kay second term, which is the positive 3. Positive 3 times x squared is positive 3x squared. Next, positive 3 times positive 3x is positive 9x. And then, positive 3 times positive 2 is positive 6. And then, we add. Bring down x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6. Okay. Example number 2. Focus ulit kay x. X times x squared, x cubed. X times positive x is positive x squared. X times negative 6 is negative 6x. Now, focus on negative 3. Negative 3 times x squared is negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times positive x is negative 3x. And then negative 3 times negative 6 is positive 18. Okay, then let's add. Bring down x cubed. So, dito susunod, magkaiba yung sign niya. So, ima-minus natin. So, tandaan ha, third I, merong 1 dito. So, magiging answer niya is 2x squared at mas malaki yung 3, kaya kukunin natin yung sign niya which is negative. And then susunod, parehas yung sign, so we add, magiging siyang 9x negative, and then bring down positive 18. Example number 3. Focus on the first term, 2x. 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. Next, 2x times negative x is negative 2x squared. 2x times negative 20 is negative 40x. Sunod, focus naman tayo kay negative 3. Negative 3 times x squared is negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times negative x is positive 3x. And then negative 3 times negative 20 is positive 60. So, let's add. Bring down 2x cubed. Parehas yung sign, so i-add natin, magiging siyang 5x squared. Magkaiba yung sign, so ima-minus naman natin, 40 minus 3 is 37x, and then copy the sign of the largest number which is negative. And then bring down positive 60.